Interesting psychological facts about women, human behavior, love, and human psychology. Women are more likely to suffer from insomnia, potentially due to hormonal fluctuations and stress. The act of kissing burns approximately 2 to 3 calories per minute, and an intense makeout session can burn up to 26 calories per minute. The human brain has the same consistency as tofu, being soft and gelatinous, protected by the skull. Women are more likely to develop PTSD than men, potentially due to differences in brain structure and stress hormone regulation. People in happy relationships tend to release more oxytocin during physical intimacy, strengthening their emotional bonds. The average adult human has about 100,000 miles of blood vessels, which could circle the Earth 4 times if laid end to end. Humans can survive longer without food than without sleep, with severe sleep deprivation causing significant cognitive and physical impairments. Women often have a larger anterior cingulate cortex, which is involved in decision-making and emotional regulation. Passionate love typically lasts between 12 to 18 months, after which it transitions into companionate love, characterized by deep affection and commitment. The human body is home to trillions of microorganisms, with bacteria in the gut playing a crucial role in digestion and overall health. People are more likely to remember the first and last items in a list, a phenomenon known as the serial position effect. Women tend to have a better sense of taste and more taste buds than men, making them more sensitive to flavors. Eye contact with a loved one can synchronize heartbeats, creating a physical manifestation of emotional connection. The average person has about 5 liters of blood in their body, which circulates through the heart, lungs, and veins. Humans experience an average of 70,000 thoughts per day, highlighting the constant activity of the brain. Women generally have a larger corpus callosum, which connects the brain's left and right hemispheres, facilitating better communication between them. People who experience unrequited love may go through similar stages of grief as those who lose a loved one, including denial, anger, and acceptance. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents, making it one of the most finely tuned sensory organs. People are more likely to conform in group settings to avoid social rejection, even if it means going against their own beliefs. Women are more likely to use indirect aggression, such as gossiping or social exclusion, compared to men who may use more direct forms. The act of holding hands with a loved one can reduce physical pain by lowering activity in the pain-processing areas of the brain. Orgasms can strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which support bladder control and reduce the risk of incontinence. The average adult takes about 20,000 breaths per day, with each breath providing vital oxygen to the body's cells. The human brain structure is about 75% water, and even slight dehydration can impair cognitive function. Women are more likely to ruminate on problems and stresses, which can contribute to higher rates of depression and anxiety. Laughter with a partner can enhance relationship satisfaction and intimacy by releasing endorphins and reducing stress. The human stomach produces a new lining every few days to prevent itself from digesting its own tissues with stomach acid. Humans have a natural tendency to anthropomorphize objects and animals, attributing human traits and emotions to them. Women often have a higher pain threshold during childbirth due to the release of endorphins and other pain-relieving hormones. The scent of a romantic partner can reduce stress levels, even if the partner is not physically present. The human tongue has about 10,000 taste buds, which are replaced every 2 weeks to maintain sensitivity to different flavors. People tend to judge others' behavior based on their own expectations and biases, a concept known as the attribution theory. Women generally have a higher level of emotional intelligence, which helps in recognizing and managing their own and others' emotions. Love and attachment trigger the release of oxytocin and vasopressin, which are crucial for forming long-term bonds and loyalty. The human body can produce its own painkillers, such as endorphins, which are released during physical exercise and pleasurable activities. Humans are hardwired to seek out social connections, and loneliness can negatively impact mental and physical health. Maintaining eye contact with a potential romantic partner can increase feelings of attraction and intimacy. The average person's skin renews itself approximately every 28 days, shedding old cells and generating new ones. The human brain is more active during sleep than when awake, as it processes memories and performs restorative functions. Women are more likely to use verbal communication to express emotions, whereas men may use actions or problem-solving approaches. Physical affection, such as cuddling, can lower cortisol levels and reduce stress, promoting overall well-being. The human body's circadian rhythm regulates sleep-wake cycles and various physiological processes, aligning them with the day-night cycle. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100%. For more interesting topics like this, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.